Hey guys, how you doing? I am going to pour on my rocks that I did not like the other day. And then I'll do another one here. Oh, I didn't notice that that had chips in it. Don't want that one. That's garbage. I am blind. I'll tell you what. You get older, your eyesight goes bad, bad, bad. There we go. Too far. Just using the leftovers I had. The Tide Pool. Just to make some refrigerator magnets. And I'm using cobalt blue and black and white. I'm going to try one with just black and white. See how that turns out. Oh, do I have enough white? Probably not. Yeah, I got enough in there. So I like those last two videos with those pours. I like those. Love the colors. Let's see if I have any white in here. No. Alright, we're good. Alright. So let's do white and black. A little bit of white. Little tiny bit of black. We'll do two of them. One more. That's good. I always feel silly doing these little rocks. I don't know why, but I enjoy them. I put my other ones on the refrigerator. That's cool. I like that one. Love it when it has that like feathery look. Okay, we'll do one more here. That one's cool too. Yeah, I like these black and white ones. Right on. That reminds me, I'm going to do another black and white pour this week. Probably tomorrow. Those are cool. Let's hope they stay that way. Turn off that bright light up here. Sometimes that is too bright. Neat. So it's staying good. It's looking cool. Even has some cells. Look at all those little specks. And that one's pretty cool. All right. Now let's do a white and some Tide Pool. Just one of them. We'll do it this way, this one. That's pretty. Beautiful color. All right, now let's do some white and the cobalt blue. White. The cobalt. Need to put some more some Tide Pool on that other one. That one's pretty. Yeah, some of you might find this really boring, but that's okay. I like it. So that's pretty. Let's hope that one, it should hold up. You know why? Because it was already painted. I'm even getting some cells on that one. Look at, I was going to pour over that one a little. I'm not touching that one. I like these. So I'm really happy with these. Let's see how many magnets I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So I got one more left up to these. I like these. These are pretty. Very awesome. I'm going to keep that. It's a little darker black, but it's cool. I like it. Alright. I'm done my using up my paint. I still have a little bit more Tide Pool, and that's it. Cobalt's all gone. And we're done. So this one, yeah, since this one, the blue one that we just did, it's going to hold up better without, you know, dripping off because it was poured on already. And this one here. So it's like they're gessoed, you know. Oh, just in time. Okay. That's it. I like them. All right. Take it easy, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy these. I know they're kind of nothing big, but I like to break the monotony. And my next painting tomorrow is going to be a really cool 16 by 20 black and white. That's it. I'm going to try to get really good white and really good black without, you know, gray. So we'll see what we can do, because though people are always loving those. So many people love black and white. All right, take it easy, guys. Bye-bye now.